Hi, it's Tiffany here from ABI, and today we're in Brisbane where Zone 1 Projects have invited us to tour their latest project, the Rosalie. The white and grey exterior allude to the luxe contemporary inspired interior. I can't wait to show you this one, so let's head inside and check it out. As we make our way through to the front entry of the home, we've got these beautiful light grey stone pavers, some linear cladding, and of course these tropical green plants that you'll see throughout the rest of the home. Stepping into the home, we're on the second level of this 2-story build. Now this home was built on a long block and they utilised those hillside views by incorporating all these large windows. To the left of me is the guest bedroom and ensuite. Then we have the study and a media room. Heading down the hallway, you'll notice that the natural light filters through the windows here on my left, where it also gives you a sneak peek of the outdoor living and some more of those garden beds. To my right is a powder room and main bathroom. In here is the main bathroom where they've gone for a lighter neutral palette. They've got this grey stone, oak joinery, as well as this beautiful marble mosaic as the feature here behind the bath. It really picks up the tones in this space, especially the deeper tones of the tapware here. Further down the hallway, we've got 3 bedrooms, as well as this void that gives you a little preview of what's to come. Can't wait to show you guys, but first we have to see the primary suite. The primary wing opens up into my dream wardrobe space and then flows through to the ensuite. I really love these floor tiles. They add so much texture in here and they really contrast well with these rounded finger tile marble mosaics for a point of difference. And they've even included a closed off double shower. This is my favorite bedroom in the house. This window here just drenches this whole space in natural light, as well as frames that beautiful hillside view we mentioned before. As we head towards the south end of the home, you'll notice that down here they've used this mill exposure polished floor. It really flows through to the kitchen. This kitchen is breathtaking. It feels really cozy and warm, and I feel really at home in here, and I think it's because of the finishes they've chosen. They've got the tundra grey stone on the island here that's mirrored on the back, as well as in the fluting detail over the range hood. It's been warmed up by the Boston oak cabinetry and then added some depth with that brush gunmetal tapware. This home really is designed for a family. I'm loving the playful colour palette here in the sunken lounge. Sunken lounges have become a design trend and I am obsessed. They really open up the space, especially here where they've got the TV hidden behind these sliding doors, and they've used the same Boston oak joinery as well. The family memories continue to be made outside where there's so much room for activities. We've got the barbecue, an infinity pool, and a yard behind me where my favorite design feature of the home is. The dramatic concrete curve really wraps the backyard facade perfectly. A big thank you to Zone 1 Projects for letting us tour Rosalie today. I've thoroughly enjoyed myself. I hope you have too. I'll see you at the next one.